Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky. I bring you awesome, fun, and timely content on all my platforms. So make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you definitely subscribe. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm super duper excited. In case you're wondering who is this beautiful girl, happy girl, I'm Becky. Please subscribe, and I know you will love it on here. I post amazing content weekly, 3 vlogs: Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, so much fun. So please subscribe, please like, please share with your friends and family. I would really appreciate my day ones. You know what time it is. Let's do this again this week. So happy Monday. Today is Monday the 5th of February, and it's currently 12:30 in the afternoon. It's noon, and I am stepping out. I am going to the mall. I have a few runs. First, I want to go to Miniso. I want to check if I'll get a few things that I want, a vase, and I'm also looking for fake flowers. I know House of Leather has, but I want to see if Miniso has a better deal. Then I also want to go into the supermarket and buy some groceries. I know I went to the market in the last vlog. I bought those market and wholesale things, but there are things I can only get in the supermarket. So I'm going to Carrefour, and I'm bringing you guys along, and we are going to have so much fun. So those are the 2 things I want to do, and I'm excited because today I get to close the vlog that you guys have watched before this one, which is my monthly grocery haul, the budget just for 2, because we are 2 in my house. I hope you guys have seen that. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. I hope that has given you a few tips on how and where to save your money. So outfit of that day. I feel so nice. I feel so energetic. Anyways, so this is what I'm wearing. If you see this cap, you know what it is. So the cap, skinning, just basic skincare, nothing deep. Ring, my watch, I'm still counting my steps. Oh no, don't tell me it stopped. Oh, it stopped. But I already done my 5k. I had already done my 5k in the morning. I'll put a screenshot. So this is the full fit. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me try this and see if you guys will be able to see my full fit. No, you will not, but at least you can see most of it. It's a black dress and this denim cover-up thing that I have not worn in over a year, if I'm being honest. I don't know where it slipped when I was doing my decluttering, but it did slip. So we're just gonna make it work. But today I felt like putting on a cute dress, looking nice. You know, just serving up looks, and I'm carrying this bag with my shopping bags and my shopping list and my house keys. So let's go. I'm wearing my sport shoes. I love. Don't mind the way they look like they're not clean. They're not clean because I have been going out with them for my walk, and I honestly do not have the energy to do it now. So I'm just going to wear them, and then we will soak them off when I get back. So yeah, let's go. my favorite brand of mayonnaise, this one, eggless. This is the price. And then for barbecue sauce we get original, this one lasts us a month. My favorite brand of spices, very affordable, I like them. Here we are. Hi guys, so I am back home. If you want to see a haul of everything I have gotten from the supermarket, please check my previous video. This is the thumbnail. I will link it here. A tab will show up, so you can click it or check out the description, it will be there. But I have gotten everything. Right now I want to put everything away and you guys will join me for that, and then I will have my bath and finally eat. I feel so hungry. But yeah, that was a successful trip. So yeah, let us sort these things out. Let's put them away together. I also need to wipe down my fridge, so we are doing that here. All right, let's do that. So here I started putting away my things. If there's one thing that has helped me keep my kitchen especially in order, is putting away every time I come from the shop. So if I go to get spices, when I get home I put them away immediately. That helps ensure that your kitchen is put together, things are where they're supposed to be, and that works a lot even for closets. Try it. Just ensure that if you pick something from your closet and you don't want to wear it, you don't leave it on your bed or on your couch, put it back. You will notice that over time your space looks more organized and cleaner. Anyway, let's put things away. friends, happy Tuesday. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it is 10 a.m. that I'm sure about, and I am making breakfast. So I'll show you just now. I just wanted to do this here. I told you guys, I told you, I just woke up and felt like having some pancakes to try out with this coffee that I got yesterday. I know I have not shared what I got, but that is in the previous video, so check it out. So I got this Gibson's coffee, 100% Arabica coffee, and I want to try it. So my dispenser, this one, I think you guys have seen it before. It's the Nunix one. This is Nunix. It was a wedding gift. I requested my siblings to gift me this for my wedding and they did. And it comes with this thing that I want to try to use and make the coffee. It has the sieve inside, if you guys can see that well. So I want to try and make this, and then I will boil my milk. I have milk in the fridge. I will add milk to it and hopefully it tastes nice. So I just want to have it like that today, like just coffee in the milk and a bit of sugar for sweetener, because I'm not used to the taste of coffee if it doesn't have sugar. So I'll have this, and then I will look for syrups that are affordable, like hazelnut, all those syrup things, and buy them, and yeah, see if I can put together a cute little coffee bar for myself, because I am committed. So yeah, let's do it and see if it works. But first, by the way guys, if you're in the market for a dispenser, I highly recommend this Nunix one. The only disadvantage is it is completely electronic. You cannot maneuver it if there is no electricity. So if you don't have electricity, you will have to take water from somewhere else. All right, it doesn't work without electricity. But apart from that, perfection. This thing heats up in minutes. In like 2 minutes, your water is ready and hot. I love it for myself. So I just boil my water. It's a bottom load. Let me show you guys. It is a bottom load. This is the only reason why I chose this thing. I did not want bottles everywhere. No, I wanted the bottle hidden. So it's a bottom load, and then it also has this compartment, which is so tiny. I don't know what it's used for. I've never used it, but yeah. And then you just let me bring you guys a bit closer to show you. So it has a double click for powering it, double click for water, single click for heat, single click to keep this plate hot. This is a hot plate that keeps this warm. All right, it does not keep it hot, it keeps it warm. It's warm, not hot. So the first thing I will do is it's on, so I'll get water. That takes a few minutes, honestly. It has a countdown here. Then the next thing I do is single click to heat. So this is going to heat up to 100. This runs to 100. So from 29 degrees to 100 degrees. It is done. 100, it is done, so you can power it off. Then I will use this jug that I have already showed you guys. I will put my coffee in here into this sieve. Can you guys see? I want to make sure you're in focus. So I'll put the coffee into this sieve and then pour the hot water. So that is what we are going to do now. So it is open. So this is my coffee. I've already showed you. I will just stir it at the top and then I will put it into the sieve. This is my first time honestly using this thing, so hopefully it works. Oh, nice, they don't go through. I think that's enough. And something else I know is you can use this for a few days. So this I will take for like 3 to 4 days. When it's in there, it concentrates the liquid. I need to make sure you guys can see what I'm talking about. That's better. The coffee is in here. There goes the coffee. So now I will just add this hot water to it. Am I supposed to wait? I don't think I'm supposed to wait. I think I'm supposed to put the water and then the coffee. Wait, let me remove the sieve. Okay, I think I'm supposed to put the water in. And then now I can put the coffee like that. Yeah. So, like so. My coffee is inside, my water is inside, the coffee concentrates the liquid, and then I will only need to click here to keep it, the plate warm. So let me take my milk and we are going to try out this coffee. I hope it tastes nice, because if it doesn't, I'll be so disappointed. Anyway, let me fix the milk. So I have my tools of trade. This is what I'm having today. I have made these pancakes. They are brown because I love cinnamon. So pancakes. This is my milk in my GMC mug. Hashtag. And then some sugar. So we have said we are adding some sugar because it's just the first time. Please, I don't want to be traumatized. And then I will add my coffee. This is what it looks like. I need to make sure you guys can see. So that's the coffee. So I'm going to add it to my mug. Okay, put it in and then add the milk. So oh no, oh no, there are coffee particles. Where now? Oh, there are coffee particles, guys. They pass the sieve. Should I have bought a filter? My goodness, guys, I saw the filters, but please, this is just giving too much. Can you guys see that? There are particles. Okay, let me sieve this. Yo, guys, I have sieved. But now, do you think you have to be a prophet to tell me that this milk is also going to spill? Oh, this is a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. But it's okay. I'm just trying to see how it works. So, oops. Just a bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, it has the milk. Hi guys. So, I have made the coffee and it tastes amazing. Amazing. Can you look at that color? As in, who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Hi guys. So my phone has cut me off and I thought I will show you guys when I put in the milk, but let's do a taste test. Okay, I hope this thing is recording because I go when I'm tired. So I used my frosty mug. So cute. So Ah, call me barista. Yeah. Oh, that is so good. Amazing. The only downside is that this thing is not sieving. I think I need to buy filter papers. I will check and hopefully be able to buy them. But for now, I will sit down and have my breakfast and edit because my phone is full. It is cutting me off because I don't have space. So yeah, let me sit, have my breakfast, and then I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? So today is Friday, and I know I'm too up close. I'm sorry. I'm just fixing this so that you guys get a good view of Le Babe. Today is Friday. Please ignore that. I was doing a general clean of my house yesterday, and you guys will see that video hopefully after this one, before this one, whenever you will see it. But I had to wash my curtains. They were in fact not a bit, they were very dusty. I love being clean. I decided that this year I am not using some adjectives on myself, how many pronouns on myself. I am not doing that. So I love a clean space. I don't have OCD. I don't over clean. I don't overdo nothing. I just love a clean space. And that's on that. So I did that yesterday. So that's what I did for the whole day. And then later I went for practice. That was the end of my day. Came back home, ate, slept, done. Woke up this morning. I had work to do, done that. And then I have washed shoes. I wanted to wash shoes. Guys, I have this thing where if I have something to do that is looking at me like this, I can't function. So I just had to clear the shoes and hang them out so that they can dry by Monday. Because yeah, anyway, my couch looks absurd, but in case you're wondering, these are the inners for my couch. Do you see how huge this pillow is? Do you see how huge this thing is? It's not even. Can you see that? This is how I have a fluffy couch. Please. I'll write the number of the guy here in case you're looking for a couch, by the way. Go with your inspo, he'll deliver. Anyway, today, this is the last day of this vlog. Reason being, something else is happening tomorrow and Sunday, and that will be on a different one. But today, I want to fix up a meal. Today, I want to cook a nice, juicy meal for the evening. And I feel like my heart is going towards ugali. I've missed ugali. I rarely say this. I've missed ugali. So I'll make ugali later. But for now, I want to sort my meat. So when I posted my budget video, you guys have already seen that. This is the thumbnail and this is the link. Please check it out. I stated that I had not bought meat yet. So I got it. I got it on Wednesday when I was coming back home from town. So it's in my fridge. I don't like storing my meat in the freezer when it is not cut and like pre-portioned. So that is what we are going to be doing today. It's so much fun, and I'll be using my trusty pressure cooker, and then I'll show you guys. In fact, we will do this veggie broth thing. There's some nonsense I have in my freezer and I said I would explain. So that's what we are doing today. I feel cute, I feel nice, guys. Since I started sleeping in pajamas, my life is not the same again. Please try it, okay? So this is a cute little set. You guys won't be able to see the full thing, but it's matching. Can you guys see? It's matching. Anyway, I'm happy. Today I'm having a good day. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and do this. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm bringing vibes. Please support me by subscribing. Hi Abasi. Hi friends. So this is my meat. It was in the fridge. It's 2 kgs of beef. So I cut it. I cook it in my pressure cooker. I make broth from that I used to cook, and then I also make strips for tortilla wraps. So yeah, so I'll just cut the meat because cutting meat is cutting meat. I forgot. I also got mince. Mince this month we'll mostly use it for what's this called, pasta. So I will also pre-portion that into like 3 portions because we mix mince and smokies or sausages to make it a bit nicer. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me cut this meat and then I'll come back. Hi guys, so I am done with the meat. This is it. I have divided it. I'll show you now. But this I want to boil in the pressure cooker. Did my phone beep? Yeah guys, so I have it here. If you're new, meet that girlie. I need to give her a name. This girl has been riding with me for so long. So, and this is where I advise guys, if you're going to have a wedding, a rurasho, and you want gifts, have a registry. Alright? I know there's the element of surprise and all that, and people getting you what they want to get you. But then I think I prefer the opposite route for getting me what I want. You know, so I write a registry with everything, then you pick according to your budget. I feel like that worked amazing for us because that's how I got this baby girl, and she's not cheap. This girl is not cheap. So just to see that my cord is well connected, add water. We're gonna add some water. What is that thing? Yo, wait now guys, I have utensils, but you see when I'm filming and I need them, I can't find them because now I just have to use whatever. So I let this cook for 30. I time it to 30 because I like my meat super soft. There's nothing I detest like chewy meat. I don't care, be it beef, be it chicken. If it's chewy, I don't want it. So I think like that you guys will be able to see me. Okay, I hope. Oh, if you can see me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Cynthia will be proud of that run. I've tried. Should I add a bit more? This is what I did last month. And guys, this thing burnt me. The water, it's now healed. It burnt my hand here when I was opening it because it was too full. But then you see, I want the broth. That's the problem. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. In case it's not enough, I will add and let it boil when it's open. So there is this thing. Personally, I have realized that the only way you can protect yourself from accidents with a pressure cooker is honestly follow the instructions. Can you see here? This is release and this is seal. So when you're cooking, it should be like that, like that. It's sealed. And then when you're done, you will release and then the pressure will come out. So be safe my guys. So I want to set my timer and I do 30. I'll first of all switch it off just to close it. Some salt. I was wondering what I've forgotten. Just a bit of salt. I realized when I don't salt it, there's the way it tastes. Let me add a bit more liquid. Guys, I am playing with this thing. Ha! My man is going to watch this part and he gonna text. He gonna be like, girl, are you playing with me? Because the last time, trust me, I shed tears and he was the one comforting me. I was just like, this thing, I've had it for so long. Why would it burn me? Why did it do that? Am I the problem? Guys, it stressed me out because I did not expect it to burn me. I literally opened it like this and I was holding it here. That is how I got burned. Anyway, we'll even learn. I don't feel like it's tight. Is it closed? Hyper? Where now? Is this thing closed, guys? You see now it's giving me stress and anxiety. This thing, the experience is not nice. So now today I'm extra. Okay, it sounds like it's closed, but it's not giving completely locked. Do you understand? It's giving something is remaining. Guys, this thing wants to stress me. It's because this seal is opened. Alright, I feel like that's okay. Yeah, it's fine. So it's on seal. Then turn it on. And then I want to set it for, do I put stew or beef? Hi guys, I think I put high steam for 30, but then today let's do 25. And then it will start on its own. So let me show you my other cuts of meat. It has started now. It's counting down. So let me show you my other cuts. So I have divided my mince into two, this and this. I mix it with smokies or sausages for pasta, so I don't need that much. And then I have my beef strips here. These ones are for tortilla wraps, which we love around here. So these ones I'll just parboil before I fry them when we have the tortillas. So my meat thing is working out. I'm making good progress. And then now let's talk about this. But first, let me arrange this steak. Oh, in case I have never shared, this is the chicken I get from Farmer's Choice. It's called the capon 1.3 kg. This is the one we get every time. If you see chicken in this house, just know it's this. So love this so much. 2 are enough for us for the month, so I get 2. So where am I storing this beef? Let me use a storage thing. That's virus, but I feel like that one is too big. I'm just going to put it in this paper. Storing things in your freezer is an art. But yeah, so that's that done. I'll put this in and allow it to do its freezing thing. Right there is okay. And then now let's talk about this paper. Let's talk about this paper. Can you see this? I hope you guys can see. These are my veggie scraps, and the reason I have kept them since like 2 months ago, it's veggie scraps plus chicken bones. And guys, I want to make veggie broth today for cooking. I love it. That is how I got burnt the last time, because I was making beef broth to use in my meals in this thing and I overfilled it. So I just opted for, you know what, I'm not going to do that again. I'll not risk my life. I'll just make veggie broth. So I have some carrots in the fridge. I have some onion and some ginger and garlic. So let's put a pot. Let me show you. So this is the pot I'm going to be using, and I'll put in my veggie scraps. Alright, I tried guys. Every time I remembered, I would store them in the freezer, and I'll do it again next month. So your veggie scraps, and then you want to add your veggies. So I'll add these 2 carrots. You don't remove the covers or anything, you just chop them into bite-sized pieces. I'll add carrots. So after adding carrots, the next thing I want to add is my onion, just a full one. Guys, this is a random recipe I saw on TikTok a while back. I'm just getting to try it out now. So I'll just cut it into a quarter. This is what the girlie said. You don't need to do much. So a quarter of an onion, and then we drop this inside there like so. And then I have my ginger. Should I do all of it? No, let me put this one. I'll put this one in there. And then I have garlic. This is a nice way, by the way, of incorporating garlic in my meals. So I don't remove the covers, I just cut it into half and put it in. Bible, guys, pray for me that this works, please. And then for spice, I saw them just add black pepper. They said this is okay. As it is, I want the corns, not the... Oh, wow, Becky. So I'll add a few black pepper corns. This is what they look like, by the way. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so that's enough. All right, I feel like we are good to go, but your way now I'm stepping on black peppers. Let me collect them and put them in the bin, because if someone is going to trip here, and that someone is me. Today I'm in such an amazing mood. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, we can finish later. So for this, add water. I need to fill it. They said fill it because it is going to cook down. So I need to put it completely filled. All right, done with that. Oh, I'm excited. I'm here praying and hoping that all my work is not going to be in vain. Right, so once that is done, I've put onion. We are okay. So with this, you just turn it on, but it's so close to this one. I don't like that. This cooker of mine acts funny. I don't know why it's been acting up, but I just don't want it close to the pressure cooker. I'm just too much anxiety. I don't like it. Today it's acting nicely. Does it know you people are watching? All right, I think that should work. So there we go. So my pot is on for my broth. Pray for me that this works. So yeah, I'll let that do its thing. So for now, as the two pots do their thing, I will clean my utensils. There are so many, my sink is full. So I'll do that, and then yeah, I'll show you the results. So yeah, let's clean up. Hi guys, so as you can see, this is boiling pretty well. I feel like y'all are slanted. That's better. This is bubbling. It smells so good. I've entered my kitchen. I had forgotten. It smells amazing. and this is done. So my first step is usually turn it off. I don't want no stories. And then I'll just let the pressure release. Guys, I'm actually so nervous about opening this pressure cooker. Yo, I don't know. I don't know. Let me just put a kitamba. Guys, it's giving me so much anxiety. I think it's because the last time it burnt me. Like, yo, when guys, how long am I supposed to let it? Mpaka, it's making me so unsure about whether I actually know how to work the thing. Oh. Yo, when but the last time by now it had already burnt me. Like, I just turned the lid and it's oh, we are safe. Oh, we are safe. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Ha! Guys, this thing scared me. I can't even lie. We are okay. Let me show you my meat. Oh, look at that. Look, somebody called me chef. Who is Becky? Who are you talking about? Oh, the chef. Yes, that one. Oh, yeah. I agree. She's nice. So now I'll add water to the top and just let it boil when it's open. My veggie broth, oof, it smells amazing. This kitchen smells so nice. So you're supposed to let it cook down until like halfway. Then you'll have the best. So let me finish, then I'll show you guys the finished product as we close off the vlog. So hi guys, it's a few, honestly like an hour and a half, and my nini is done. Let me show you the, what is it called, the meat that we have made. I've added some stew and let it boil. Perfect. And then this is the broth. You see, it's almost half. I'm almost taking it off, but I just thought I would come on here before I forget and close off this video. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me on this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy my content. I hope you guys enjoy spending some days with me. I hope you guys enjoy the tips and the tricks I share, whatever I share. I hope you guys love it. If you do, please leave me a comment and just write, I love what you share. That's enough. It doesn't have to be a lot. That goes a long way. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you. I love all of you. I am grateful for everyone that is a great support to this channel. We love you guys. So I'll see you guys on my next upload. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.